Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Today I'm very excited to be partnering with Fashom. So I'm very excited because they reached out to me over email and I wanted to try out different kinds of brands like this for you guys in case you want options, you know, if you're shopping around, if you want to try a styling kind of box service. They make you do a style quiz, a questionnaire, and then you can write in your preferences. They show you what pieces they chose for you first, and I think there's about 8 pieces and you choose 5 to ship out. And then of those 5, you try them on for free and you ship them back in 3 days. And then you get to pay for the ones that you want to keep. So I like that because you can actually see what you want to try on out of the selection that they make. And I think that's really cool. So first, right off of the bat, I can show you the box. It looks like this. So it has the pricing of what I picked out to try on and then how much each of them costs, and then if you buy all 5 of the pieces you chose, you get a 30% discount. I did notice that you have to pay, I think the first time you try their styling service it's free, but they do give you more discounts, so 25% off if you keep 3 or more items and then 30% off when you keep all 5. So you have kind of more incentive to keep several products and not necessarily all of them. They have the return label thing as well so that you can return them for free, which is very important, of course. Oh, the packaging is really pretty. Ta-da! So I'm gonna open this up now. This is so soft. Okay, first off is this top. It is so soft. It's not cotton, but like genuinely this feels like not even my PJs would feel this soft. So this is called the 143 Story Virginia Brush Terry Top. The price is $37 with no discount on it, but I want to see how this fits because it looks really cute and it's so soft. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is the top that I was most excited about. Look at the sleeves on this. Is that not so cute? Oh, and it's much softer than I expected. I thought it would be like kind of the stiff, like papery tissue material to make it puffy, but it's this puffy sleeve pink top again. They know that I like pink. This is called the Leia Miss Carol Puffy Sleeves top, and it's $45 if you don't have any discount. This next one I was really excited for as well. This is a black sweater material, but it's actually a tank top and it has a scallop neck detail. It'll make more sense when I try it on, although it doesn't look exactly the same as the picture. It looks like a v-neck in the picture, but I prefer a straight across neckline, so I'll try this on. Oh, this one's 100% cotton. Okay, I think I'll keep this one. Just kidding. I thought it'd be a little more fitted, but I'll see how it looks on. But this is the crescent neck scallop sweater top and it's $38. Then the last top is this long sleeve striped top, and it's kind of like a sweater. This one is cool. It's a thin sweater material, but I like the colors a lot. This reminds me of a sweater I had when I was in middle school that I was absolutely in love with, and it has this lace detail on the sleeve. This looks like something my mom would totally pick out for me. So here, finally, I have these pants. Feel so comfortable. Oh my gosh. So these are, I think, like a legging kind of pant material. They're black, skinny, almost like tights. The button is so cute. There's like engraving on it and it's like this rubbery material. I've never felt a button like this before. But it feels like a really thick legging, almost like a Uniqlo thick work pant, but then imagine it turns into a legging. That's what it feels like. It is a thick material. And I wanted to pick it out because it was the only bottoms that she actually recommended me, but I mentioned in my styling thing that I wanted something that would be long enough for me because I'm taller. Coot from the Cloth Mia skinny faux pants. So I'm gonna try these on right now and I will show you guys how it all looks. Oh my gosh, this one is so pretty. So this one I believe it is a medium, but it's the perfect size, I think. It's like long enough for my sleeves, perfect. And I really like this neckline. I actually thought I wouldn't like it at first. I thought it was a little tacky and trendy and a little too like last year, but I really like it on, honestly. Like, I like that it hits right at the collarbone and it's not too like tacky, but it's straight across long enough that it's not like just a little whoop and then the neckline doesn't make sense. And then I like that it's a little scandalous but not too scandalous, and the color, oh my gosh. And this is the softest thing I have ever put on my body. I can tuck this in probably for a more fitted look, but yeah, this is like the most comfortable thing I have ever put on. I really like how this top looks. Okay, so this is the scallop tank top on. It's so pretty. I really do like this, especially if this was gonna be like form-fitting and tight. I can imagine tucking it into a pair of jeans or a skirt and then wearing like a nice coat or jacket over it. The material is really soft. It's cotton. You guys know I'm a hoe for cotton, so I really like how it feels and I like the concept. Here's the striped top. Like I mentioned, I didn't think I was gonna love this one, but I really do like how it looks and how it fits and the silhouette and everything. I think me in high school or middle school would have loved this top so much. I think my mom would love this top, honestly. The lace is really nice and it's not scratchy at all. It's very comfortable on the body. I like the silhouette again, and I like that the sleeves are super long. You guys, I love this top so much. Hold on, I'm like trying to fit into the camera angle. It looks almost like a drop shoulder silhouette instead of sitting up higher. I don't know, I really like how this looks. So usually in my like mind, trendy tops like this with like the puffy sleeve or like the fancy details, they're all super itchy and scratchy. So I was expecting this to not be very comfortable, but it's honestly so soft. Look at the sleeve detail. It is so comfortable and like soft and pretty. But doesn't this look so pretty? Like the silhouette kind of, I don't know. I just like that it scoops down. What do you guys think? And like, look at the puffy sleeves with the sequins, and the sequins are not itchy at all, I swear to you. Like, oh my god. I think I'm gonna be keeping this one for sure. And untucked, it's a little bit baggier, but I like that it's long enough to be tucked into a skirt and it won't like accidentally come out because it's not super long. Does that make sense? I feel like this would look so cute with like a white pleated skirt, or I don't know, like even a sweater skirt on. Oh, this is gonna be so cute. So I love this one so much. So as you guys can see, it goes like under my belly button, and I'm getting camel toe from this. It is long enough when it goes this far up, but I just wish it was like, whew, it would suck me in, you know? They feel really thick and warm, I will say, and there's no issue of panty lines or anything. And I like that there's pockets. So that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to Fashom for sending this to me and partnering with me so that I could try these. So I think I'm gonna keep like definitely the polka dot piece. I think subscription boxes are a great way to have fun, especially during quarantine when you want to go out and try clothes on but you actually can't go outside. You can kind of bring in the fashion mall to your home. It's kind of fun to have someone pick out what they believe is like a good fit for you, or they believe is fashionable, and then you could try it on just to explore new styles and pieces and brands, even if you find a brand that you like from these kinds of boxes. I do have the discount code down below, so please feel free to use that if you do decide to try them out. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!